Welcome back to FX Sword Art. Today I'll be showing you how to draw R2-D2 from Star Wars. For this tutorial, you're going to need a permanent marker, a pencil, a paper, and something to color with. The first thing we're going to do is trace the arch on the head. So I'll be using my new and improved garbage can. It's not really improved, but it's smaller, so that's what we're going to be using. So I'm going to take this, and it is circular, so we're only going to be tracing half of it. So we're going to take our pencil and do that. So now we're going to put our pencils away and trace this with permanent marker. Next, we're going to continue these lines down for the body. So we're just going to take these and bring them down, like so. And then we're going to connect these with a curve, like that. Then we're going to close off the head by doing a curve here. Then at the bottom, we're going to do another strip by doing a line down, and then we're going to connect these with another curve. Then we're going to do another one, but these are going to be diagonal lines, like that. And then we're going to close these off again. Then we can do a few lines at the bottom, just like the BB-8 one that he had at the top of the head. So we're just going to do a few lines like that. Okay, so next we're going to move up to the head and do a few details there. So the first thing we're going to do is do the circle for the eye, like that. Then we're going to do a square around it. Then coming from it, we're going to do a smaller like rectangle thing, like that. And then another square down here, and a circle inside of it. Okay, so those are the main details, so we're just going to be doing a few more around here, and you don't have to do all of them, but he's just very detailed, so yeah. Okay. Then we're going to do a curve at the top, like that. And a few lines there and there. Okay, so next we're going to do a rectangle in the middle, like that. Just a very big one. Like that. Then we're going to do two squarish circles. Don't really know how to describe them. They're more of circles, but like squarish. Rounded squares, I guess. I don't know. So then we're going to do a few lines inside, like that. I'm doing 3. So next we're going to do a few lines down here, above it, like that. Then we're going to do another square down here. It's going to be a bit of a longer video just because of all the details on him. So then we're going to do a circle, and then a plus on the inside. Then we're going to do six lines off to the side here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the body details. So now we're gonna work on the arms. So for about where the head separates from the body, we're gonna do a line coming out, like that. And then we're gonna curve it down, and then we're gonna bring it back in. Then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Then we're gonna do a line like more in, coming down to about here, and then we're gonna curve this one back. Okay. And the reason why we indented is because we're just gonna be doing another one, just coming out very little on the side, just a little like wire or something. So then we're gonna do like a square coming out like that. And then finally we're gonna do the feet, which are these like triangular squares. There's a lot of like weird shapes, so we're just gonna do two like diagonalish lines, and then we're gonna close them off with a line like that. Next we're gonna do another weird shape off to this side, so a diagonal line, then two straight ones like that. Then we're gonna do a few details here with the wires, so we're just gonna do a curve, just dragging across like that, and another one, and then a line here. Then we're gonna do the same thing on this side, but flipped. So two curves, and then the line down. So next we're gonna add the final detail, which is this little thing at the top here. Just a little like rectangle. It's like either an eye or some kind of like receiver thing. Okay, so that was pretty much the last thing, but if you want it to be more epic, then you can do a third wheel coming down. So if you want to do that, it's just two lines coming out like that, and then bringing them back in slightly, and then down again, and then the other wheel, which is a line, and then pretty much the same shape as the other feet, but more squarish. I think there's a name for this shape. Not sure what it is though. So yeah. So where this line comes down, I'm just gonna do another one here, like that. But they're different colors, so that's why they're separated. So then we're gonna just do another rectangle and down like that. And that's the foot, so now we can move on to the coloring. Okay, so that's pretty much it. As you can see, I added a few like details with the lighter colors. So yeah, and sometimes I add a bit of dirt, but for these like Star Wars characters, I tend not to. Also, I added a highlight on the eye and just a few little like shadows and stuff. So I think it turned out pretty nice. So yeah, so if you have an idea for something I should draw next, like your favorite character from a movie or something, then comment down below and I'll most likely try to get to it. And so yeah, if you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more drawing content. Bye.